Uh, let's see what we are going to talk today and what we are going to have. So again, yes, you have understood correctly. This is the last video to this particular topic, types of retail store businesses worldwide. Okay, it's kind of a category. So let's see whether this category is important or not. So till now, we have understood about food and beverages, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interest, religion and belief, home and living, unique experiential store, health and wellness, area specific, city, state, country, electronics and technology, sports and outdoor services. And yes, of course, if you have not got anything, then you can talk, you can just comment and I'll make a video for that. Okay. So let's see what I have today. So we are going to talk about area specific retail business. Okay. It can be based on a city, state, country, and all the things. Let's understand with one example. Suppose, see, I'm from India. Okay. And in India, there are a lot of food items are very, very much very famous and everybody eats like samosa. Okay. Huh. So the samosa, you can sell in US also. And if Indians are there, they will come and they will buy your food, correct? And other country people also will like to try that kind of a food. No, this food is from my country, correct? So there are a lot of things you can do. Or see, it can be related to art, correct? Culture, craftsmanship, correct? Then your thought, idea, correct? It can be like books, correct? From this country, we have different kind of books related to philosophy, religion, related to medical science, related to yoga science, and all the thing, correct? Then again, if I talk about the state wise, so in India, each state has a very unique, very different concept, correct? Which can be the great story for everyone, and it's a motivational, correct? If you see India map, you will get, top you will have Jammu Kashmir, correct? Then down you come towards to the Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Then in center you will find the Maharashtra, correct? Then left to that map you'll have a Goa, Karnataka. Then upper part Gujarat, correct? Rajasthan, Punjab. Then right side you will find Tamil, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, correct? In center again you'll have a Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. A lot of see things. Each state is very different, correct? Now I'll tell you one thing. My interest also it's there in this topic. So I like what is it? Andhra meals. It's correct. So maybe you've heard North Indian meals, South Indian meals, Andhra meals, correct? Kerala meals. So I like Andhra meals. So whenever I eat, I'll think that I'm eating that food which has been prepared inside my home. Correct. So that kind of a restaurant you can open anywhere in the world. Correct. Or I'll tell you, I like silk kurta. Correct. So you can get the silk from India and silk kurta, and you can open anywhere that is store. Even in India, you can open that is store anywhere. Correct. And people will buy that silk kurta. Right. And yes, of course, a lot of engineering works are also there which can work for that. Correct. Many different things related to art. Correct. People will wish to see that. Correct. Then art is not only about the printable material or wall decorating and all the thing. It's a kind of a like yoga is also science and art. So if you are a yoga master, then you can have your own store in a different company, country, state, city, and all the things. People will love to have. Nowadays, online businesses are happening, correct? Very easily, isn't it? Now, suppose if you are a Ayurvedic doctor, correct, and somebody sitting in Dubai, either in a US, they want a consultant, from India. They should subscribe the things and they can have that service through online, correct? A lot of YouTube channels are there, correct? And they are talking and people are liking and sharing with their family and all the things. Apart from that, remember, each city is unique. Trust me. If I'll talk about the Jammu and Kashmir, see the Srinagar, and nearby you have a places called, Gulmarg and Sonmarg. And if you see the Uttar Pradesh, you have a city like Lucknow, Varanasi, correct? Then you see the Rajasthan, you have a Jaipur, Jodhpur. Rajasthan is a completely kind of very different kind of culture. You will feel proud whenever you travel in that state, correct? Then you see your Maharashtra again, very different capital city, financial capital city of India, that Mumbai, nobody can forget, correct? So a lot of things are there. If you talk about the Odisha, again you have a Bhubaneswar, the temple, that seashore, people, their food, correct? The culture. So that all can be a business. That you can open a retail store either online and offline, correct? And you come to Tamil Nadu, again, it's a super state. You go to Chennai, Madurai, and Trichy, Kanyakumari, and all the thing, you'll feel very happy. There are a lot of business things are there which you can do. Then again, if you talk about Kerala, you go to Trivandrum, then Kochi, and all the things. So there's a lot of things are there, and you can touch anything, and you can create as a business model for that. Correct. So, and yes, of course, India known for many things. We are the biggest country in the world where we are now supporting backbone for the medical industry, supporting backbone for the educational industry, supporting backbone for the service industry, correct? And again, we are becoming, not becoming, we are by default backbone for our science also, correct? We are improving, correct? We have gone much more ahead. Yes. So there are a lot of things are happening in India, and we are in the world. We are we are giving cheapest medical service. So see that how we are, comfortable with the different country, correct? Because of the Indian INR, if you are from US and you need to do some kind of a operation or something, you can come to India and you can have a business, correct? So this is how you must communicate. You must reach to the worldwide people that we are here, we have this and all the thing, and you can generate very good business. Trust me, someone need can be our business because we need to survive in our life, right? Nothing is free. Remember this. I'm not talking about the donation, religious thing or thing, but if suppose I am hungry, what I will do? I'll buy a food and I'll eat. Correct? That's how we should do. So remember this, your culture can be a biggest retail business. Your food can be a biggest retail business. Your science, your education, your technology, correct? Your financial terminology, correct? Then your own way of thinking, your own philosophy, correct? So many things you can do. I cannot list here one by one because it's a very big concept, very wide area kind of things. It's like a universe. So you can think it can be anything based on a city, state, country. Correct. So you think and decide that this is I'm very much special and I can give you the best. So that's how you can do this. Correct. And yes, of course, we have completed a lot of topic. If anything is in your mind, please let me know and I'll be adding to my YouTube channel. Guys, one more thing, please remember I have suggested many different kind of a business idea, many different kind of a category, correct? Almost I have suggested more than 500 different kind of a store, correct? So you need to decide where you need to uh, uh, stand and should understand what's going on. But remember this, do not just believe that you have a money so you can create the business. Please don't do that. For an example, suppose you are looking for to have a restaurant business. You must visit some restaurant and see their challenges, their how they fight with the daily need, correct? So that's how you need to learn. And if you're finding difficulty, no, I cannot go and I cannot do this, then please, when you are doing a first time business, you should touch. Yes. You can't say that, yeah, I am an investor. So be an investor. Investing also is a very good business. But if you are thinking that you can be a very successful farmer, you must touch the mud. You must touch the water. You must touch the land. Correct. So this principle is implemented for each category. Okay. Apart from that, always remember the bigger variables everybody will tell you. This much money needed, this much manpower, this much stock, and all the thing. But there are many hidden variables factor that you need to understand, and for that you should jump in the water and see what you are feeling. And same way you need to think also that other also may feel. So this is all about from my side, and I'll be coming with the new category, new add-on, new talking very soon. So till then, bye bye, and I'll come back soon. If you like my knowledge and if you like whatever I said, please subscribe my channel and share this video with someone else that they can also learn something better. So, धन्यवाद. We'll come back again.